Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my mini savings video. And with my mini saving videos, I work with 6 saving challenges and $50, and I have 2 $5 bills as my savings boost. So I'm just going to put that in here, mix it up a little bit like that. All right, and I take my 6-sided die and roll it to let me know which challenge will get 2 bills. All right. Hopefully everyone gets some love. We see if we'll finish any challenge today. Oh, we got a savings boost, and 5 is getting it. 1. Okay, 5, you're trying to take all the money. Can we get a 4? Oop, that's a 6. Another savings boost coming up. 5 again. 6. 6. 1. Come on. Can we get a 4? We got a 4. 5. Another 4. And should we just get the last 2 to 4? Let's do that. Let's just do that. And with the money I use for my mini savings, I put towards my revolving sinking funds. And what I do is count it, how much I save at the end of the month. So let's see. This one is created by Doodle Dollars, and I made each flower $2, and it saves $32. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10. Let's do so 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Let's see. So far, I got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26. I really need to get to the bank and get some 5s. Let's put that there. Next, we have this challenge created by Budget with Carly. And it says 36. I made each egg $2. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 and 4. Let's see where we at with this one. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 24. Next we have, oh, this one, the one that got all the money. So this is created also by Budget with Carly, saves $30. And today just wanted to get all the money. It got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. Wow. 22. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Wow. We are almost finished with this one already. See how the quick little savings do. This one is created by Plan to Save Designs. It totals $30, and it got $4 today. So let me see. Let's do, what I say, $4. So just let's do this 3 and this 1. All right. Next we have this challenge created by Bookish Mama Budget, say $16. I made each one $2, and today got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just outline the little egg here. Probably could have made that much cuter, but hey. So $4. All right. The last one here is created by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. I made each circle $2, and I put 36. It's actually 32. I don't know what I was thinking. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we almost finished. So 2, 4, and 6. And let's see. In total, so far I got 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 31. Hold on, wait. What? 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay. Okay. Make sure I count that correctly. So just $2 more and we'll finish that one. Hopefully we finish it next week. And that is all, gems. Quick little $50 into the mini savings for the week. And we just put it into the revolving sinking funds because as I put money in, I'm taking money out. And that's what it's there for. All right. So none completed today, but we'll see what next week brings us. Thanks, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.